Hello, what's up productivity lovers? My name is Daniel Rosam and welcome to a new edition of Día Productivo. Today guys, I will share with you the best lesson that I learned by reading the book The 25-Year Framework, written by Dan Sullivan. But before we start guys, I must tell you something. Because if it's the first time you see this channel, this is a channel about productivity and high performance in Spanish. But I recently read a lot about creativity and innovation, and I would like to try new things, like for example in this video that I am talking to you in another language. But don't worry guys, because the gift that I always give you in every video is still in Spanish. And if you don't know what I am talking about, watch out! Watch out! Because later in the video I will tell you what it is and how you can get it completely free. So, let's go! In 1978, Dan Sullivan was in the worst stage of his life. Not only he was going through a messy divorce, but also his company had just gone bankrupt. However, Dan decided to see it as an opportunity to start over and ask himself, what if I was given me the opportunity to change my life in 25 years? And for 25 years, he wrote every day what he wanted for his life and took action on it. During those 25 years, his life completely changed until 2003, when he not only had a lifetime relationship, but also found a new company called Strategic Coach Inc., dedicated to helping entrepreneurs reach a new level of success and happiness. This book is the framework developed by Dan Sullivan that helps us to achieve our most ambitious goal in the same way that he did during those 25 years. And here, I want to stop for a moment guys, because many could say, Daniel, 25 years is a lot of time. Yes, I know. But remember that we are talking about our most ambitious goals, and the big problem that prevents us from reaching them is that we want immediate success. For example, we want to start a new business, but if in the first year we don't see results, we quit. Or for the other hand, we want to grow in the corporate world, but if in the first year we don't see results, we quit too. And that, guys, I think is the greatest strength of this book, that tell us, don't worry, you have time. You don't have to get things done quickly. You have to do it right. For example, imagine yourself asking, could I do my most ambitious goals in 25 years? Sure. But truly, it's more easy to say than do it. And here guys, I must admit that it happened to me a lot of times. Sure, I understand the importance of the long term, but when I upload a video, sometimes it came to my mind things like, oh, with this video, maybe I will achieve 1,000 subs in the channel. With this video, I get 1 million of views and my channel will be explode, and some kind of things like that. But if you notice, although I understand the importance of the long term, in fact, it happens to me too, that I want immediate success. And this book came to me and made me realize that no, Daniel, you have time. Día Productivo is a serious project. We have 1 year only, so relax. I have time, and when I do this, I relax myself and it gives me space to do new things. Like for example in this video again, that I try to do new things like talking in another language. Maybe in another video I try a new format like blog, or maybe in another video I do the book summary but live with all of you at the same moment. So I don't know, but I couldn't do this if I try to think, no, I better don't take a risk because I will fail and I don't have immediate success. That's not the way we should think. Well, I think the last speech was pretty good. I hope so. And continue with the video. It's time to share with you the step by step so you can do too the 25-year framework in your life. The first thing we should do is divide our 25 years into work cycles of 90 days or 3 months. This will make us have 100 work cycles during this period of time, which is the same as saying that during each cycle we only need to advance 1% of our goal. Each cycle we must focus on working on the one thing that is the most important to our project with a simple, measurable and achievable goal. This is how we will free ourselves from the pressure of time, because we advance little by little but knowing that we have enough space. It is also important to mention that each time a 90-day cycle ends, we must review our progress through the following areas. Moral. What were my 5 best achievements of the previous cycle? Momentum. What are the 5 areas where I am making progress? Motivation. What are the 5 new things I am learning that excite me the most? Multipliers. What are the 5 things that most benefit my progress? This will allow us to know how we are progressing while keeping us motivated. And finally, guys, every time we move from one cycle to another, we must review our way of working and see what improvement we can make. That is because human beings tend to order and monotony, which is good, but excessively, it goes against creativity and innovation. And it's over, guys. It's over. The book summary, it's over. And I would like to finish with this message, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and try new things like I do today, that I don't speak English normally. You can see that. But I would like to try new things. Like in the book, Dan Sullivan tells us, relax, you have time, experiment with new things, get out of your comfort zone. At the end of the video, I really think I'm feeling more confident. Maybe it not appears, but I really like what I am feeling right now. And I invite you that if you have something that, for example, you want to do, but you have fear from failure, like I told you, relax, try, and see what came from your life. And before I forget, if you like what you see in this video, I will give you in the description a link to a complete free PDF with the summary of this book. And yes, it is in Spanish. Also, if you are already subscribed to Día Productivo newsletter, don't worry that I send you an email with this when I upload this video. With no more to say, guys, my name is Daniel Rosam, and I wish you have a productive day. Bye bye. Increíble.